Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to use Deepl in split screen on iPhone. So for iPhone users guys, you would need to have an actual third-party application. So you should have to go to your app store and simply go and search for split screen as you will be seeing here. So I'm going to transfer here and simply choose the first one that will appear. I'm gonna go with the one that has the most downloads. You could go with this one, but I would usually go with this one since it is the best one currently in the market. And simply just install it on your phone. So it's gonna be taking a few seconds to install, and then you will have this feature allowed in your phone in case your phone wasn't or hasn't this feature in it. Now, for example, once you download this application, which I will show you right now. So there we go. I'm simply gonna download it, and then you need to open it. So this is what you should do. Wait for the app to open and then wait for the actual thing to do here, the free trial. And here we'll have to watch an ad. Like this is for free trial people. So once the app finished, you're simply gonna have these features allowed in your phone. And simply all you need to do is to go to the app that you want it to be split. So in my case, for example, we want Deepl. So I'm gonna go here, as you can see, and I'm gonna drag Deepl from the recent opened applications, just like this, and I'm going to hover it. So once you hover it, you will have here the split option, which will allow you to actually split the application, as you can see right here. So you can split screen top, split screen down, so as you can see like this. So it's a good feature to have. Like you could switch between the application and other stuff. So you could, for example, use it as a shortcut. But yeah, this is how you can do it on iPhone. Unfortunately, I couldn't show you really the process on iPhone, but yeah, this is exactly what you should do. Just on with the other application, the third-party app, in case you didn't have the feature, and let it work. Its work. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next upcoming video.